Balot sa puti.
Balot
Sa puti. Yes. That's anticiping. You chew it all. Put inside your mouth. That one. You eat it the whole thing inside. Put that inside your mouth, and then bite it. Don't slowly like that. Nawanan anak kita nun aji sisiw nan ni el. What's the taste? Taste like
Bakute.
bakute? Taste like bakute ka no di ko ni sisiw na ni nagdakkel. That's called balut.
Balot means?
Means duck embryo.
What's that?
Duck embryo. You know the baby inside the tummy? Yeah, that's it. That's the baby. The fetus.